In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Canva link to your Etsy listings. This simple and effective way to link your design work ensures that your customers can effortlessly view and appreciate your creations. Let's jump right into it and make this process as clear and easy as possible. First, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Canva homepage. If you're not already familiar with Canva, it's an incredibly powerful tool for creating professional designs. Once you're there, immerse yourself in the wide array of templates. You're aiming to find one that's going to not just represent your brand, but truly resonate with your target audience on Etsy. If you're creating something specific, don't forget you can use the search bar to find that perfect template, making the job that much easier. When you've found that ideal template, it's time to infuse it with your unique style and branding. Customize your design by playing with colors, fonts, images, and any other elements you feel will capture the essence of your product and the personality of your shop. Spend as much time as you need here. It's important that your design feels just right. Once you've fine-tuned your design to perfection, look towards the top right of the screen and click on the Share button. This is where the magic really starts to happen. A small drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you want to click on Copy Link. This option is crucial as it gives you the direct link to this specific design. With your link copied, but before we move on, make sure to click on Allow View Access. This is a vital step because it guarantees your customers will be able to see the design when they click on the link. If this isn't set correctly, your customers might not have access, and that could lead to confusion or even frustration. Now it's time to switch gears and head over to your Etsy shop. Open up your Etsy homepage, and once you're there, click on Edit Shop. It's here where you're going to list a brand new product or even edit an existing one with your exciting new design. When you're ready to list your product, simply paste the Canva link you copied earlier into the product description or anywhere it makes sense for your customers to find. This seamless addition to your listing shows viewers exactly what they'll be getting and how it integrates with your creative vision. And there you have it. Your Canva link is now part of your Etsy listing, ready to showcase your extraordinary work to the world. Following these steps ensures your customers have easy access to view your designs, enhancing their shopping experience and potentially increasing your sales. Thank you for watching and happy designing.